Hi guys, let's look at this TEAS practice test together for students who want to become nurses in the United States. The question says, a student with a lemonade stand makes 50 cents on each cup of lemonade. Expenses to set up the stand were $7.50. If each cup of lemonade costs 20 cents in supplies, how many cups must be sold to start making a profit? So this is a simple practical question. So this particular student sells lemonade 50 cents per cup, right? But before the student started selling the lemonade, he or she set up the stand for $7.50. And we are told that the expenses on supplies is 20 cents per cup. So what is the actual profit? So the profit on each cup of lemonade is equal to 50 cents, which is the amount the lemonade is being sold to the customers, minus 20 cents, which is the cost of producing the lemonade. So 50 cents, 0.50, minus 20 cents, 0.20. So that means the profit on each cup of lemonade is 30 cents. Okay. Next, we are told that the cost of making the lemonade stand is $7.50. So how many lemonades are going to be sold for us to get this money? So the question does not tell us how many cups of lemonade will be sold for her to break even, right? The question is how many cups of lemonade will be sold for her to start making a profit. Now, how many lemonades has to be sold for her to break even? To get that, we need to do the cost of creating the lemonade stand divided by the profit she makes on each cup of lemonade. So that will give us $7.50 divided by 30 cents. Now, it's very difficult to divide a number by a decimal. So what we can simply do is move the decimal point once for the denominator. This will give us 3. And also move the decimal point for the numerator once. This will give us 75. So now we can easily do 75 divided by 3. 75 divided by 3 is going to give us 25. But is 25 the answer? So 25 is the number of cups she needs to sell for her to break even, for her to get back the amount of money she invested in the business. That means she needs to sell one more cup, right? For her to begin to make profit. So the number of cups she needs to sell to start making profit is actually 25 cups plus 1, which gives us 26. So that means the answer to this question is B. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more math content. See you in the next video. Bye.